Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. For some students, Result Day is a time of celebration. They worked hard for those marks. For others, the results may not have gone their way. But one thing common to all of us is the relatives who stop grilling us on Result Day. So let's look at the top 10 things that happen when relatives meet you on Result Day. Coming up next on our list, we have scenario no. 1. The early bird. It's Result Day. For students, it's just marks. For parents, it's a war. For relatives, it's gossip season. And everyone knows that news travels fast in the family group chat. So, while you're still half asleep, your mother is sending out the alert. Visual prompt. A bedroom morning scene. Mom is pacing while Dad is reading the paper. Alarm clock ticking. Ryan is sleeping on his bed. He wakes up and says, "Mom, why do you sound like the school principal?" "Mom, Ryan, wake up. It's Result Day." "Ryan, Mom, why do you sound like the school principal?" On number 9, we have scenario, the speed caller. After that first relative who calls in the morning is done spilling the beans, more follow suit. As soon as the results are out, your house becomes a war zone. Not because there's fighting, because there's too much talking. Visual prompt. Split screen of mom on phone and aunt holding tea and smiling smugly. Mom, "Hello, auntie." "Yeah, results aren't out yet, aunt. I was just asking." By the way, Sharma's son got 95%. Ryan, muttering, "Do you work for the news channel?" Scenario, no. 8. The big reveal. This is the moment of truth. You open your laptop and finally see your results. What do? Call your parents running into the room screaming, "Mom, Dad, I've got my results." Tell me for them to give you a fake smile and say, "Oh, that's great, honey." The happiness they were expecting you to see isn't reciprocated. And well, awkward silence follows. Visual prompt. The laptop screen shows the numbers 88%. Parents giving silent "we'll talk later" looks. Ryan, "Mom, Dad, I've got my results." Mom, fake smile. "That's great." 7% less than Sharma's son. Next on our list, we have scenario no. 7. The comparison king. So you've got your results. What? Well, you can expect to face Sharmaji's son and his 98% score. To put it simply, every kid's score is better than yours. All thanks to Sharmaji's parenting skills. Apparently. Visual prompt. Living room. Uncle smirking. Ryan fake laughing. Uncle Ryan. "How much?" Ryan. 88%. Uncle, Sharma's son got 95%. Is your school not teaching enough these days? Ryan? Maybe. On number 6, we have scenarios, the mark sheet detectives. Some relatives are not just curious, they're detectives. They'll zoom into your mark sheet to find out which subject you scored less in. That 2 marks in English is an issue that the entire family needs to know about. Visual prompt. Phone screen showing mark sheet. Cousin, zoom in. He's 2 marks short in English. File a complaint. Ryan, what is this crime investigation? Next on our list, we have scenario no. 5. The overly positive relative. If you thought your parents were done grilling you, think again. This relative will pull you aside and say stuff like, Ryan, you'll always be a topper in my eyes. Ryan, thanks, auntie. A few minutes later, you're bombarded with messages asking you to spill the beans. Visual prompt, split screen. So showing emotional hug, then sneaky texting. Ryan, you'll always be a topper in my eyes. Ryan, thanks, auntie. Later on WhatsApp, aunt. Okay, now tell me the real score. 4 brings us the career advisors. On result day, relatives also give you advice on the career you should pursue. It doesn't matter if you've scored good marks or bad. They know what's best for you. Visual prompt. Ryan is surrounded by floating signs that read, "Take science." It has scope. Do commerce, you'll make money, and do arts. It's chill. Ryan, did I even ask? Career uncle. Take science. It has scope. Other relative, do commerce. You'll make money. Random cousin, do arts. It's chill. And at no. 3, we have scenarios the emoji attack. From behind the masks, their evil eyes are watching. You check your phone and find a new message from that one relative. It's a winky face emoji followed by a smirk. Visual prompt. Close-up of phone screen. Ryan, Mom, what does this mean? Mom, it means they know everything. Ping, Ryan, Mom, what does this mean, Mom? It means they know everything. On no. 2, we have scenarios the family gathering attack. This one is for those who celebrate result day with their family. Forget having a decent meal because all anyone will care about is your marks. Visual prompt. Dining table. Ryan surrounded by relatives. One relative asks, how much? How much? How much? How much? Others, how much? How much? How much? Uncle, in 1978, I got 97%. Without tuition, Ryan. Uncle, it's 2025 now. Zoom in on each relative's face. Finally, at no. 1, we have scenario, the outro punchline. You make a valiant effort to hide your results from your relatives. You think you've won this battle, but no, they're waiting around the corner. They'll grill you, badger you, but no matter how much they push, you stand firm. Your parents are particularly proud. You didn't crack under pressure. However, the real test is yet to come. The ultimate showdown will be when you get married. Visual prompt. Ryan breaking the fourth wall and talking to the camera. Ryan, well, school exams are over. Now comes the real test. Relatives. Dad, son, your real results will be discussed at your wedding. Narrator, marks come and go, but relatives' questions are forever. That's all for today, guys. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below.